again, special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us this 50 pack of 109 millimeter size, king size, pre-rolled purple cones. These are ultra thin, vegan paper that burn evenly. They're premium quality, natural, unredefined rolling papers, natural Arabic gum. These are the king size 109 millimeter classics, and you get 50 cones inside of this nice little protected cylinder. If we take off the top, you get a nice seal here, and then of course you have 50 of these king size pre-rolls. So they have a little company logo there, like that. Nice light purple look to them. And as an added bonus, there we go, they even include a packing spoon. So with this packing spoon, you'd be able to take your tobacco and put your tobacco into the pre-rolled cone, and then use this to help pack your cone so that you have a nice tight pre-roll. So again, special thanks to my friends over at this company who were nice enough to send me this 50 pack of king size pre-rolled cones with packing spoon. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.